ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ha bajubab ya ka jingkali balawan ra da UMLA jong ka Congress na Nongpoh Menteri Katanat Public Work Department Building uba dasakhiat lamari ulaong baka jingslam man Pyndep ya ka Polytechnic hakasnong Nongkhrah-Pahambir kabadon ha Nongpoh kadai na kadaw baka sorkar kamyo jaka baka duna pisa bat baka kamru kala sange nadu bawan linshop ka klam jingpang COVID-19 Susulo ongru baka sorkar kadang pet ya kilat kilenti kumno ban penya chakmat ya kam bat labu thongru ban Pyndep Hapoh usnem hajar puar.
So reply to SAR question number 82A. The reasons for the delay of the project are as follows. Number 1, due to non-availability of land, the work could not start in time. 2, sir, due to COVID-19 pandemic, the work was stopped since February 2020 to November 2020, and also from April 2021 to August 2021. Number 3, sir, due to non-availability of fund. B, sir, the Public Works Department building, being an implementing agency, have taken up several initiatives to speed up and complete the project in time, and even pursuing the concerned contractor to continue with the work in anticipation that fund will be received. More so, the issue of land settlement has been taken up in consultation with the local MLA. C, sir, the date and time for the Public Works Department building to complete the work has been rescheduled to December 2022 on the condition that flow of fund is regular.
We have listened the statement made by the government from time to time with regards to the complete commitment towards upgradation of many educational institutions within the state. Having said so, this is a project with regard to the Polytechnic at Maubri, right Nongkhrah, right Nongkhrah-Pahambir, Hapoh district, which has been lying quite a few years where the work has been stopped for the reason which has been mentioned by the Honorable Minister. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister what is the total amount sanctioned, and in this amount sanctioned, whether the external electrification, not the internal, the external electrification, and also the external water supply, and also the approach road, whether it is already incorporated or not in the sanction amount.
So the total sanction amount for this particular project is 8 crores 38,638, and after several reductions, the amount comes to 7 crore, which is a tender value, 7 crore 5 lakhs, 7 crore 5 lakhs 18,600 rupees, sir. And sir, in this estimated amount, the external electrification is not included, and the approach road, which has been listed by the honourable member, is also not listed, sir. So this particular estimate is only for the internal electrical works and the civil works, sir.
We have seen in the past, sir, with regards of sanctioning many projects, why the project has been delayed and why the project could not take off. After completing the infrastructure, the buildings, there are many projects that have been taken, maybe in outskirts of the town or villages, where there is no proper electricity, where there is no proper water supply. So my intention is to bring to the notice of the government and the department concerned is that the education department also, that whenever any project they will make, they have to incorporate together, be it approach road, maybe the electrical, external electrical connectivity, maybe we need transformer there, it's a huge building, and all this. I want to make this suggestion to the Honorable Minister. My question number 2, sir. We have seen in the course of response in A, B, and C due to non-availability of fund. In B again, it is the contractor pursuing the concerned contractor to continue with the work in anticipation that fund will be received. Even in C also, rescheduled to December 22 for completion on the condition that flow of fund is regular, which means 100% it relate with the flow of fund and the non-availability of funds. So I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister, sir, in charge of finance, that an assurance to be made that the flow of fund will be regular, that this Polytechnic, which is meant for the young entrepreneur, for the young student of Hapoh district as a whole, as an avenue for all of them, so that they will get a place to teach themselves, to learn, and to get a job somewhere. It is a proper place where we'll get learning for all the youth of Hapoh. So I would like to get an assurance from the Honorable Chief Minister and Chief Finance that in due course of time the flow of fund will be there.
So, in the past few years since the allotment of the final work order for this particular project, so we have been writing to the parent department regarding the release of funds, but due to some circumstances, we were not able to receive any. But we are still looking into this matter, sir, and we will still follow it up with the hope that we will be able to receive funds from the parent department, and through that, sir, we'll be able to proceed further with this particular project. And I hope with the current situation that is going on right now, sir, the pandemic situation that we have, considering the problems that we have because of this as well, so we will try to do our best and finish it off as soon as possible, sir.
I want an assurance, sir, that by, as had been mentioned, by December 2022, the project will be completed. I want an assurance that the flow of fund will be regular.
I don't think it's appropriate for me to give an assurance, because if we look at the current situation, sir, the pandemic that is going on, we don't know. We'd never know what would occur in the months to come. But I can assure you, sir, that we will be doing the best, sir, from our part to complete it as per the schedule given on record, sir.
So with regard to the completion of the work, even though the reply was very unsatisfactory, even though I'll take it. So with regard, after the construction of the Polytechnic will complete, now we need to, that the Polytechnic has to go on. It has to be inaugurated. I just want to suggest the Education Department, the government as a whole, that in due course of time, preparation for the sanctioning of the posts of lecturer, faculty member, technical, non-technical staff, grade 4 staff, all this has to be incorporated together so that this asset that has been created by the government, it won't be a waste. That is my intention. I want the assurance, apart from the Honorable Minister, assurance from the Honorable Chief Minister on this regard.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the concerns of the Honorable Member have been noted down. He has, of course, a point. This is a very important project, but constraints are always there in the government. And keeping all the constraints in mind, we will try our best to do it at the earliest. And it's not just this project. As you correctly mentioned, there are many such projects that were there in the pipeline, and this government has really moved forward in a number of those projects to ensure that we try to complete it at the earliest, sir. So definitely we will try our best to do it, but constraints are always there, as has been mentioned by the Honorable Minister. But this is an important project, and we will definitely work towards meeting the timelines, but constraints will be there, sir.